Let's now take a look at the latest in sports. My name is Robinson Okenya. We take off with athletics, and the third edition of the Iten International Marathon will take place on the 24th of November in Elgeyo Marakwet County. The county governor, Wesley Rotich, says the race will give athletes a platform to showcase their prowess, aside from the 1 million shillings that is up for grabs.
We'll be having 42-kilometer race and a 10-kilometer race. Also we will have a corporate 5-kilometer race for those who will be doing fitness or for fun. But we will have a lot of partners on board. We will have so many coaches and local and international to come and scout for talent. All our athletes at Iten who train around here are actually eligible to run for that marathon, and therefore we will be the registration portal is already up. We are partnering with so many partners. The Standard Group is partnering with us, and KTN will be live.